Hi, this is Fumichika. I'm a customer support from OpenLM Japan. I would like to introduce you the LDAP connector today, which was introduced to the OpenLM Cloud. Uh, Please see to the if you log into the cloud portal and then activate the directory syncs and LDAP connector. Please go to the LDAP connector UI. Then, as a destination system, you can add a system here. So this is the Amazon S3. You can save the your source database like Active Directories entities into the S3 bucket or SQS GUI. In the DSS, you can choose Active Directory, AWS, Azure AD, Google CDS, something like that. And then from this directory, you can extract entities and then save it into the S3 or SQS. So once you do the sync now, it will trigger the it will trigger to save those entities into the S3 or SQS which you register. So DSS is usually the syncing with the OpenM database, but other than that, you can also sync with the outer bucket or outer GUI. So thank you very much. Bye now.